It's very exciting to be here in Dubai because it's very fast growing, very innovative, new things are invented, and especially for Dubai it's always great that they want and they can showcase new things to the world.
Business here is fast. It's a really dynamic city. I would say that Dubai celebrates creativity, but actually it demands creativity because it's constantly evolving. We were employed by Ruya to bring the concept to life through the cocktail menu. So to tell the story of Ruya through the drinks. We also consulted on the equipment, on the glassware, on the products that they used. But they also asked us to work together with the design team to come up with a feature for the back bar. Obviously on a bar the real estate is at a premium, so everything needs to be functional. We wanted something that was going to be operational. We didn't want something that was just design-led. It had to actually have a function behind the bar as well. So that was how we came up with the hanging Hoshizaki ice machine.
Ruya means dream in Turkish, and the reason is that Mr. Umut Özkansa, who is the brand partner of this business, it was always his dream to showcase and bring the Anatolian cuisine to the world. Ruya has 230 seats. We have different areas of the restaurant. We have quite a big terrace. We have a very nice lounge that is connected to the bar, and then we have two restaurant sections overviewing the open kitchen. Most important in the hospitality business is to be organized, and having peak times like at 8 o'clock at night, everybody comes at the same time. It's very important that you have the ice ready, and as we don't only use ice in the bar, we also use ice in the kitchen. You need to have continuous supply of it, and Hoshizaki is definitely a great support for that.
Ice is central to the bartender's craft. It's paramount to the quality of the drinks that we serve. The size of the cubes, the density of the cubes, the dryness of the cubes makes a difference as well. The drier the ice is, the longer it will stay frozen. And that means that we can serve drinks to our guests that are bursting with flavour rather than weak and watery because the ice is diluted too quickly. Hoshizaki are the market leader when it comes to ice. But more than that, they're an aspirational brand as well. We work in projects all over the world, and we always recommend Hoshizaki machines. While numerous other companies are still trying to make an actual decent cube of ice, they're creating ice in a different form that allows us to be more creative behind the bar. One of the great things about working with the Ruya team is we didn't even need to recommend Hoshizaki. It was a given that they would be used. We've worked together on projects before, and we've always used Hoshizaki ice machines, so it was the first name down on the spec sheet when we were putting together the equipment lists.
Once the decision had been made that we are going with Hoshizaki, they were very supportive in helping with the design and making sure that this machine fits into the ceiling.
The quality of the ice that they produce is obviously a premium, but also the range of machines that they have allows us to perfectly match the machine to the size of the venue that we're working with and the size of the operation that we're working with. What we wanted to do here in Ruya was make the ice machine central to the bar. Rather than hiding it away at the back of the house or putting it under the counters, we want to really make a feature of it.
I believe the most important aspect is the quality of the product. And I know that with Hoshizaki and Ruya being a premium brand, we all have it together.
They're very durable, so they last a long time. They're reliable. The last thing that you want is your ice machine to go down on a Friday afternoon before a busy weekend service. Also, their sales support is great, both before and after sales, so there's no reason to look to any other manufacturer.